You are going to love the 2026 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.